Hi there guys. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up Monster Insights very easily and good to go. Go ahead for your plugins on the left corner, click on Add New. Monster Insights is used to show off statistics just like Google Analytics but in a lovely, simpler way. On the top right corner, search Monster Insights. Here it is. Search for this specific logo of a letter Q monster with a zoom right here. Click on Install Now. After clicking on Install Now, click on Activate. After your plugin has been successfully activated, keep in mind that you will have to connect Monster Insights with basically whatever you're using. You will probably have to have something like Google Sitekit already downloaded. Let me show you. So Google Sitekit, I've showed you how to connect it in another video, already downloaded, already set up, and that's basically it. Now let's go back right here and let's go down below. Click on Launch Wizard on the left side corner. Load in the settings, what's your website used for? It's a publisher blog, for example. License key, I don't have a license key. You're going to have to connect it with, as I said, your Google Analytics or Google Sitekit. So as I said, look out here, connect Google Analytics plus WordPress. You will be taken to the Monster website where you will need to connect your Analytics account. After doing that, you will be prompted to actually accept the agreement, accept it then, and you'll be good to go. We're not done yet, so let's supposedly say we're done and click on Exit Setup on the right corner. Right here, you're gonna be prompted with our Monster Insights, and here we're gonna find our reports. And since we don't have any reports, we're gonna have to see them, our also popular posts, our SAO, and that's basically it. Thanks for watching, guys. That's basically it for today's video. Goodbye.